DIA is where you come to really meet experts in the industry. And when you're a smaller company like we are, you can go to one place and get a lot of feedback from different perspectives on what you're doing. One of the challenges that we have as a smaller company is it's difficult to go out there and speak with every potential customer, but DIA brings them all together so we can have conversations with many customers all at once. Being a finalist is a huge honor to us and the team, and it's really nice to be recognized for the mission-driven work that we're doing in trying to connect patients with clinical trials. We work in the patient recruitment space. It is a very crowded and noisy market. But being able to talk about what we do and having it resonate as being different, that's critical for us. Somebody said to me the other day, I've got 15 different patient recruitment companies. Why should I speak to you? Why should I work with you? Being in the whale tank here at DIA can be huge for us. Being a finalist starts to differentiate us. It says, you're doing something different. We should consider working with you. In addition, I will tell you that the process that we've taken to get here has been so helpful already in crafting how we speak to customers. What I'm hoping is going to happen tomorrow is that the presentation is going to go excellent. Of course, we want that to happen. But in addition to that, again, I think it's really about getting feedback because we are taking different approaches to patient recruitment. It's a little bit different than the traditional model. And being here at DIA and getting that feedback on how well our innovative approach is going to align with a very traditional mindset at pharma is going to be very interesting to us. Well, first of all, can I just speak a little bit about the whale tank process in the run-up has been incredibly helpful. We've been given a whale tank navigator. This person has helped us sort of craft our presentation and our messaging. They hooked us up with a strategy/marketing individual. She too helped us to really fine-tune the messages that we're working with. We've already done a dress rehearsal pitch with two whale tank navigators. They too have helped support this. So even the process to get up to here with individuals who are involved both in whale tank and DIA has been very, very helpful. Since we've been at DIA, we've been speaking to different individuals sort of at different booths and talking to them a little bit about what we do and how it might fit in with what they do. And we've already had sort of 2 positive conversations that I'm hope will lead to follow up after the meeting. For an emerging company perspective, I think what's very nice about DIA is you're going to get the broad spectrum of everything that happens, all the way from discovery through clinical development, and then through regulatory submission and even post-marketing surveillance. So to me, this is one conference that you can come to and you can learn and you can see the entire gamut. And then for these individual cleantech and biotech companies, it's a chance to meet experts in all of those areas. I am very intrigued about the number of AI technologies and AI-focused sessions that I'm seeing in the program. We too leverage AI in our technology. And as I said, this is a very conservative industry. So seeing acceptance of leveraging AI as part of your process is definitely validating for us.